Hello everyone, this is Mitali here from Fabulous You, and this video will be on the lovely collections on the western dresses. The first part I have posted. If you're not able to view any of the part, please do WhatsApp me on my WhatsApp number 9711152266. So here I start off with the lovely collections. All dresses we are having only single pieces, so book your collections fast. So here I start off with a very beautiful gown. Okay, so anything you want, just WhatsApp me on my number, because lot of links I don't share mostly. So please do WhatsApp me and join the WhatsApp group, because mostly I give offers of early bird offers in WhatsApp group, whoever are members of WhatsApp group. Okay, so this one is a lovely party wear dress, super soft piece in 750. Okay, so buy two get shipping free, and if you book single piece, then you have to pay for the shipping. Okay, so that is the reason. If you're not able to view any other video, or else you can hold the order, with a single dress, and if you want to add it, then you can add and dispatch. So this one, the dress which I am wearing, so this one, the size which will fit 38, 40, 42, 44. Okay, it's completely stretchable piece. 38, 40, 42, 44. This area is also stretchable. Okay, 38, 40, 42, 44 for this lovely beautiful dress. You can have a screenshot on the same. So here comes a very beautiful purple color dress. This is in a very different fabric. Okay, very different सा fabric है ये, and this one is of size 30 to 34, not even 36. Okay, 30 to 34 को जाएगा. It comes with the belt. Behind this belt is there. Okay, it comes with the belt. 30 to 34 को जाएगा this dress. It's in a lovely purple color with brown button. And you have got this flower as well. Okay, lovely purple color and brown button. And this one, the size again I repeat, 32 to 34 for this. Okay, in 650. So this one is also a very beautiful dress. You can see this plating type it is, and neck is like this. So this is in georgette with lining. This dress is georgette with lining, a very beautiful in peach color. Okay, in peach color, and neck is like this in georgette with lining. Size is 36 to 38. 36 to 38 will go for this, and this is of 650. ये very pretty dress है this one. And this one, the size which will fit 42, 44, 46, 48. Okay, it is in georgette with lining. 42, 44, 46, 48. Waist also आप ऐसे tie कर सकते हैं. Okay, there is a belt. You can tie 42, 44, 46, 48 को जाएगा. This is completely like this with the covered. Okay, it's a very beautiful dress, a lovely summer collection. Okay, and this is in 650. So this one is in a very stylish pattern. बहुत soft piece है, very soft piece. And look at the shape. It's a lovely shaped dress. And this is in 750. बहुत प्यारा. The different pattern I'll show it to you. ये button है लेकिन it is closed. ठीक है. And the back side is very smart. You can see the back side. You can adjust as per your waist. ठीक है. आप as per your waist you can adjust like this, and you can tie it. ठीक है. So it is not like you have to this is, yeah, तो मैंने थोड़ा ढीला कर दिया है just to show how much it will come. जो मेरे साइज में है they can go for it nicely. Okay, 750 में है ये. बहुत beautiful dress, very beautiful dress in 750. You can just take the screenshot on this. So look at this. ये बहुत ही ज़्यादा smart सा piece है. And this waist, it is a broad waist with the elastic, and this actually comes with like this. ठीक है. Top is not available, वो मैंने अपना ही डाला है. ठीक है. Only this डंगरी, और क्या बोलते हैं इसको, डंगरी बोलते हैं शायद. ये पूरा एरिया स्मोकी में है. And this one, the waist size, it will fit आपका upper waist. Okay, till 36. Till 36 it will go. So 30, 32, 34, 36 आराम से आ सकता है. Okay, it's a very smart piece. मैं इसका length एक बार बता देती हूँ आप लोगों को. And this is adjustable completely. This is adjustable and length is 38. जैसे ये मुझे बहुत proper fit आ रहा है. I can wear like this also. If I put it inside, I can wear like a pant also. Okay, very smart piece with the pocket. And this one again I repeat, the size which will come only this size is required, 30, 32, 34, 36 maximum. Okay, this is adjustable. This is adjustable. Price is just for 650. A very smart piece in just for 650. So look at this lovely pastel shade dress. Okay, and this one the size is 38 to 40. बहुत प्यारा piece है in 650. And again I repeat, it is for buy two get shipping free. For single piece you need to pay for the shipping. Or and if you are not able to view any video, then please WhatsApp me. I will share you the link. Okay, it's a very beautiful dress. Look at the color. It's completely on the pastel shades and बहुत ही प्यारा सा ऐसे plating किया हुआ है. It comes with the belt like this. And this is in chiffon. This is in chiffon with lining. And this one the size again I repeat, 38 to 40. So here comes a very beautiful piece in green color. ठीक है, green color में है. It is in pocket. You have got pockets also. And this is actually a stretchable fabric. ये बहुत ही stretchable fabric है. In 36, 38. ठीक है, in 36, 38 को जाएगा. Stretchable fabric है and comes with the button like this. वेरी स्मार्ट बटन. ठीक है, ऐसे बटन रहेंगे. 36, 38 हो जाएगा. 34 ऑल्सो विल गो बिकॉज स्ट्रेचेबल है ना. सो 34 ऑल्सो विल गो. इट कम्स लाइक दिस एंड दिस इज ऑल्सो इन 650. ओके, एंड this is also in 650. So these were the collections for today. In the second part, again I repeat, please, if you are not able to view any part, please do WhatsApp me because I share in different groups also. So it is not possible to share 2-3 groups, 2-3 videos. Only single video I can post a day. So I'll share you all the links and everything. Thank you so much. Have a nice day and do keep shopping.